You could double your income tomorrow and still be broke in 5 years, not because of bad luck, but because of a number you have never seen sitting in your head, deciding how much you are allowed to keep. Welcome once again to this class and the Copia Effect channel. In this video today, I shall be discussing with you on the topic why you keep losing money you already earn. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly why you are losing monies that you earn and why it has been unable to help you build the wealth you so desire. Two kids grew up on the same street, same struggling parents, same we can afford that at the dinner table, same bills that showed up and drained the color from the room. 20 years later, one of them is still starting over. Bad investments, family that never paid him back, a business sunk without a plan, not once but 3 times like clockwork. The other kept building, not because he was smarter or worked harder. The hardest thing he ever did wasn't making the money. It was believing he was allowed to keep it. The difference between them didn't happen in a boardroom. It happened years earlier, in a kitchen, in a bedroom, in the back seat of a car, before either of them could read. Scarcity isn't a blank. Scarcity isn't a bank balance. It's a belief installed before the age of 10. And beliefs installed that early don't feel like opinions. They feel like facts about how the world works. Watching a parent flinch every time a bill arrived, your nervous system recorded that, filed it away, and started using it to make decisions for you before you ever earn a dollar. We are not made of money. Simple enough sentence. But a child's brain doesn't hear budgeting advice. Rather, it hears wanting things is dangerous. And that lesson doesn't stay in childhood. It follows you into every job offer you undersell yourself in, every price you are too afraid to charge, every time you flinch at your own bank balance instead of feeling relief. Here is the part that matters. This belief has never once been questioned. Not because it's true, but because nobody ever told you it was optional to question it. Today, that changes as you watch this video. Ensure you finish it to the end and you will be glad you did, because that's block, that stronghold is definitely going to change if you are ready to change. There are 3 steps to actually rewiring this, and none of them required a therapist, a course, or 10 years. Step 1. Identify. You cannot change a belief you've never named out loud. Right now, finish this sentence in your head. Money is dash. That is what is money to you. Just put the first things that came to you. Whatever came up first. Is it dangerous? Dirty? A source of fight? Something that runs out? That's not random. That's the belief that's running your life. Step 2. Interrupt. The next time you feel that, flash of guilt when your account has breathing room, or you catch yourself giving a discount nobody asked for, stop and say this out loud. That's the old belief talking, not the truth. That single sentence does something most people never do. It separates you from the belief. You are not lying to yourself and pretending the guilt isn't there. You are just refusing to let it drive. That takes us to step 3. Installed. This is the one people skip, and it's the one that actually works. Take note. You replace the old sentence with a new one, not a fantasy, a specific, believable upgrade. Try this exact phrase out loud once a day for at least 30 days. And the phrase goes thus: money flows to me because of the value I create, and I am allowed to keep what I earn. I will repeat it again. You will say to yourself, money flows to me because of the value I create, and I am allowed to keep what I earn. Say it until it's boring. Boring means it's becoming true to you. Here is your assignment, and it takes just about 5 minutes. Tonight, open your note apps or any notebook, whatever it is that you can write on, and write down the exact sentences your family use about money. Then write the new sentence next to it. That's the one you are now trying to adjust to, that gives you the platform upon which you can build your wealth. That's the new sentence. That's, you are done with step 1 if you've done all that. Tomorrow, catch yourself in one moment of guilt or self-sabotage around money and interrupt it out loud just once. That's step 2. Done. The system doesn't need perfection, it needs repetition. And if you are not clear with all we've talked about so far, all you just need to do is repeat the video over and over again until it gives you a better meaning of what I'm trying to pass across to you, so that this will help ensure the money you earn builds wealth for you and not erodes away from you. The bank account doesn't change first, the belief does. And then quietly, without force, without a new job or a lucky break, money starts to move differently. Not because the world changed, but because you stopped blocking it. You didn't choose the belief you grew up with, but you get to choose whether you keep it. So, write your sentence tonight. What's that new sentence in your head? Write it tonight. Then I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button, because next week I will show you precisely how to say your new number in the mirror without flinching. Go to the comment section below and type, I will write my new sentence for wealth. And if you do that, because I go through every comment, and whatever it is you have in your heart you want to share with me, go ahead and type in the comment section below. I will definitely read them. But if you type, I will write my new sentence for wealth, I will send you a copy of the report on 10 fundamentals of wealth creation. And I tell you, if you lay your hands on that report alone, you're going to learn three important things I discussed there that will help, take your wealth building to another level. All right? Keep building your wealth and keep empowering your minds with all the knowledge that you need as you continue to watch more other videos on this channel. It will empower your mind for that abundance you seek, for that wealth you so desire. Until then, I will see you again in the next video. I remain your friend, Adams.